Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the 3 Mile area in a quick video update. Remember, if you're new, subscribe. Remember to leave your comment, like and share the video as well so that more persons can see. Alright, so work still being done in this area. Sidewalk still going in, and the green areas which they'll put palm trees and other vegetation, so that's still being worked on. Alright, so where I'm standing is by the Texaco, only gas station in the 3 Mile area. That's where I'm standing, taking a look on what's happening. Alright, so from here shows a good look of the flow of traffic on the bridges. One bridge, the lower bridge, bringing traffic to Spanish Town Road. The upper bridge bringing traffic from and to Portmore area. So let me know what you guys think in terms of the progress of the work and how the work is going on so far, and any suggestions you guys have in terms of what should have been done differently or what you think should have been done differently. Alright, so we are now under the bridge. Have some work going on over here on the left. Sidewalk work and stuff like that. Driving under the bridge, you have to be super cautious and careful because it's still an active work site. So as you see, an elderly person being escorted there because it's an active work site. You have tractors and other heavy duty equipment still at work, and you have to be watching out for them. Then what makes it worse, there's not really any flagman or any other persons, directing traffic and giving caution. So they may be coming around a corner and come on head on with that tractor or something like that. But let's take a walk towards NCB. Alright, so this is the vantage point from the NCB bank. We have Scotia across the road. It's kind of weird. Why is it that Scotia and NCB are always beside each other? In most towns, most areas, once you find a Scotia, you find an NCB. What do you guys think? I know one of the reasons to put the financial institution in one area, so it's better to manage from a security standpoint. But what else you guys think? And then look at that truck over there. These are the things that's gonna mash up the road before it's finished, in terms of the sidewalks and stuff, because those heavy duty equipments were not designed to be driving over the barriers. So before the road is finished, you're gonna realize that the sidewalk, the barrier wall, these are the walls right here that make up the sidewalk, will be totally mashed up or partially mashed up because of these heavy duty equipment not following the road code as well. Alright, so guys, remember to leave your comments. Comments do help the channel, it do help the community as well. Remember to like, that helps as well to spread the video, and remember to share so other persons can see. And if you're new, remember to subscribe. So rush for more reviews, stay tuned for more updates in Kingston, around Kingston and around Jamaica, matter of fact around the world.